Well, good day, viewers. We have some wintry weather here. I kind of like it. So I thought about it, and then I forgot. And then I thought about it, and I forgot. And I thought about it, and I forgot. What is it that I thought about? Checking the coolant. You can see everything's covered with snow and icicles. Checking the coolant on the PE 197. This pipe here had slush in it. Go around to the other side. Nice and warm in here. Showing about 4 amps, charging the battery that supplies power to the starter motor. And that battery is right here. This battery is what I use to start the 41. It's been charging now for about 20 minutes. Looks like it's got about an amp and a quarter left before it's fully charged, and I have it plugged into the generator. You can see our temperature's coming back up. Looks like it's about 130 degrees. Make my way around to the other side to show you the draw pipe that goes from the radiator to the engine, or I should say the water pump. And it's right there. There's a pet clock down at the bottom so you can drain the coolant. I opened that, I didn't get one drop. That whole day pipe was full of slush. So what I'm going to do is, what I did with the generator, I'm going to get away from the generator. What I did with the generator, I was able to pull the J-pipe off, and I just took it into the kitchen sink, ran warm water on it. It was slush, but it wasn't fully solidified. I think I added coolant only when I bought that generator. I never checked it, so it has about 5.5 quarts of full strength coolant in it now. Today I think it's 26 degrees, so I'm going to set up my little platform, and we're going to do a coolant check, because I did put only a gallon and then water, so it's about 1/3 coolant, and I'll be right back. Alright. To the generator, you can see the yellow plug there, the 120 volt AC output. And she's going into the cab. we have, I think, about it going on a, let's see if I can zoom in. It looks like about 1¼ amps charging. So to zoom back out, okay, everything's connected. I have my temp tank plumbed. We got the platform. Put some cardboard in front of the radiator, because with a 160-degree thermostat, she's not going to get too hot. So first order of business is I picked up one of these coolant and antifreeze tester. Take the cap off. I don't know if I can get in there with the draw tube. I will try. That's encouraging. It's all liquid. I'm probably going to have to add more antifreeze, because this little pointer should be a little higher. So and it should be pointing up in this vicinity here. It's not. So I do have some coolant. And if I can get the petcock open, I'm going to drain it. Not from there. Be back. Okay, so I had to pull the petcock at the back of the engine, and that water was really cold. And as I put it back in, I thought, well, sure is easy to tear flesh from bone when it's this cold. I dragged my left hand across something down in there, and yep, my fingers and hands are pretty cold. It's really gonna hurt and start bleeding when I go inside after this. Anyway, so I'm gonna prime the carburetor a little bit, because I know it's super cold in there. And wow. Yep, she's cold. Let's keep going. Wow. Yep. All right, I'll be right back. All right, so I had to let the little battery rebound a bit. It doesn't have enough cold cranking amps really to start this thing up, but let's give it a shot and see what happens. Rattly down bottom end. Just gonna have to let it run, I guess. Wow, my fingers are cold. Okay, while the 41 warms up, we're coming over to the 42, and I'll show you how this little meter is supposed to work. I know I have a bunch of coolant in this, so we're going to watch this little, next to my thumb, we're going to watch that little needle. So I'll squeeze the air out, draw some coolant, and the blue is for Fahrenheit. Let me turn this around the other way. That's it right there. So even in this I don't have enough coolant. We can see 0 next to my thumb, and the needle is pointing to like above 10 degrees. So the antifreeze will keep the water from congealing, but I don't have enough antifreeze in there. So I guess tomorrow I'm going to go buy a couple more bottles of antifreeze. Drain some more water out of both engines and do the service. So I'll be back in a minute. Okay. Let's take a look here. She's been running a bit. The temperature's up. On the temp gauge, about 140 degrees. I added just under a gallon. And it looks like I'm good to negative 35 degrees. Maybe negative 10. Still, I don't trust it. go get a few more bottles of coolant. Never had to do this. You know. So anyway, that's it. I'll